You can't have one meeting there. Muslim women can't walk on the streets of this country today in the traditional dress. In Mannampitiya, Honorable Minister, a young girl with the habaya was walking and she was attacked. She has made a complaint to the Polnaruwa police. On the day the Mattala airport was opened, the same night, a church in Veerakatiya was attacked by a mob, unfortunately led by religious leaders, by the Buddhist monks. And they go and demonstrate before the Indian High Commission, saying that 2 venerable monks have been attacked in Tamil Nadu. We condemn those attacks. We don't support that. No monk should be attacked in Tamil Nadu. But who is complaining? Why aren't they complaining about the church being attacked in Veerakatiya? In your own country, before you look at the other countries. Why aren't you going on processions that Muslim women are being attacked on the road? You don't go on processions for that. You only have to complain about other countries. Look at yourself inside first. You put your house right. If you put your house right, no one else will ever be able to point fingers at you. You have this happening in your own country. You treat people who are numerically in the minority like dirt, and then you have the brass to stand up and pontificate about international interference and call that bullying. When you get a little bit of the taste of your own medicine, you are smarting, but you can't understand how much we feel being treated like dirt in this country. You talk about